How are you feeling, lads?
Exhausted.
Very good.
Haven't started yet.
Are we setting up camp yet?
Don't worry, just a few miles to go.
I mean, what is it? It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
4 o'clock. So we've got what, a couple of
We've
hours
got
of paddling.
2.5 hours of paddling before we've got to set up camp. That's Glenfinnan over there, and you can see the monument to Bonnie Prince Charlie. And at the back there, although you won't see it on the camera, is the viaduct that they used in the Harry Potter film. So it's a famous place where we are.
So here we are, campsite 1, a very lovely spot. We have the fire going over there, and Tony around there is trying to do some fly fishing. Off you go, mate. So night 1, we've landed on our feet, eh?
Ah, superb. A little bit midgy, but not too bad.
Fine work there.
Thank you, sir. Not as good as Mr. Ross.
I don't know, it's still hot and it's red.
So you took yours. Do you feel me?
Yeah, so here we are, day 2,
Yes.
battling through the hellish waves.
I know.
A bit close up of me, but first rafting up of the expedition.
Yeah, we just had a Cadbury's, what was it called? Brunch.
Too sure, like a breakfast stroke chocolate bar.
Yeah, nice though, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to be inventing new meals because I
Just
reckon
while
about
we're
5 a
sitting
day. Yeah,
How high in the air are we?
it's 120 metres deep beneath
Yeah,
this
so we're
kayak.
120 metres in the air.
You alright there? Here we are, night 2. Where's Tony? You decent?
I am now.
Oh, right. Oh my goodness. Not with those trousers, you're not. Shortio, a delightful mascarpone sauce with fresh pasta, and just a little camembert to go on.
Whoa.
Well, maybe we should get out and one of us walk along and have a look at it.
Do we want cream crackers with our soup?
Yeah, go for it. So, this is a navigation stop where we've discovered we're going in circles. You okay, Tony? Welcome to our island.
Yeah. Actually, what's the island called?
Doesn't have a name,
Golden Macaulay. Dore means golden.
does it? After a full day's kayaking, you find your own island, declare an independent republic, and go for a swim. Refreshing. We trained us float. Here we go.
Go on then.
You've got to do that.
I think we can safely say this is the best kayaking campsite we've found so far in both trips, don't you?
It's just immense. Look at this.
Absolutely incredible.
Camping on the beach.
I mean, you probably off of the camera, you're not going to realise that we're on an island, completely on an island.
Another tent, little cooking area.
Yep.
And fishing area.
Fishing area.
Whoa! You young man.
Hello, young man. A mackerel.
Isn't that beautiful? Look at the colours on it. Marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Cooked on a seaweed ember.
Okay, so here we are burying our geocache.
Yeah, our time capsule.
There's a wee box there. And first aid kit, you served us well.
Right, that might hit the grass, put it nearby it, yeah.
You alright, lads?
Yep. All good.
Here we go, is it day 4? Day 4. Well, this is the first snack point of the day, and the first one
In the middle of the sea.
absolutely open sea.
Yeah.
This is the Atlantic,
We've seen jellyfish and 2 seals.
and that's a bit of a swell. It may not look much, but when you're sat in a little bit of fiberglass, believe me, it feels quite swelly. It's rough, this, isn't it?
I'll tell you what, someone's got to do it. It's tough, but someone's got to do it.
Hello. Here we are. Going for the evening swim. Right, this evening is the last night of wild camping, so I'm going to fire up a little bit of garlic that we have, then chop up some streaky bacon, add to that the, what's that? Some sort of Polish sausage.
Oh, forgot about those.
A nice sauce, all together with some lovely tortellini that I made earlier.
And what have you been up to since we got...
I'll be making sure that we're all going to be lovely and warm for later.
Yeah.
I'll build us a little campfire.
now?
Plenty of wood to go on it later.
Yeah. So is that all stuff you've collected from the beach?
It is. So we've got what we've got here.
You even found a firelighter on that washed up. Bloody hell.
Yeah, it just
That is
materialised.
amazing.
You know, you have to use what's available to you.
Yeah.
And, you know.
Well, Ross
obviously
told
we
us
found
that, didn't he?
He did indeed.
Yeah.
And the cheese rock is ready for the evening gourmets. So, the final morning,
Oh, don't.
blue sky again.
Yeah, blue skies. Very
Yeah.
lucky. But just a sense of flatness.
Today we're going for some adventure food, heated up on trusty jet boil while floating around on a log.
This is why we're called the gourmet kayakers.
I do realise this is not exactly gourmet, but you try chopping a bloody onion on here. Right, at this point, I remember what I did with your bitter. Really? If you smell burning hair, something's got down.
And if it's
There you
nylon,
go.
jump in.
Look how it's bubbling already. Right, where do you think there's a spoon?
Oh, it's in that billy can. Which is
Where's your
in
billy
there, over the far side.
One of the things with jet boil cooking is you have to stir it jolly fast because it's very, very intensive. Ah, and that's, I hope you're videoing here, that's where I put my lighter.
Oh no! Oh no!
Sucking in.
So how is it?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah, I better pick up a stowaway. It's called Bruce Food.
Was that a good trip?
Yeah, fantastic. Note to self, get thicker soles.
Yeah, Bruce foot syndrome. Yeah.
Over and out.